What's up guys, it's Theresa here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your analytics on TikTok, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. So you need to open up your TikTok account, and once you have it open on your profile, you see that 3 dots on the right hand corner. And once you've tapped onto that, you'll be able to see manage my account. So hit that. As you can see here, you've got an option to switch to a pro account. So tap onto that, and once you've done that, you just need to go through the steps here and hit continue, and then choose a category. So in my case, I picked education, but I mean, whatever your niche is, go ahead and tap onto that, and then hit next again. It will take some time to load. You have to then verify your email. So what you need to do is you need to go to the email account where the verification has been sent to, and then it'll ask you to enter 6 digits. I'm just going to go ahead and do it here, and that's it. Now it will say welcome to your pro account. So now you should be able to access all your analytics. You have to wait for a couple of days, so I waited for like 3 days, and this is what it will look like. You've got analytics. You'll be able to see the overview of your account. So you've got overview, content, and followers. So my top territories is the United States, and it'll also tell you when your followers are most active as well. And here it will tell you video views, followers, and of course you use your analytics to advantage and have a look to see which content is working and make more of that. So if you have any other questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below, and also if you want to share your TikTok handle with me, leave it down there also. But that's all for me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.